Welcome to this tutorial. User profiles are personal pages available to registered users on your website. In this video, we'll learn how to add user profiles to your website navigation and explore the structure and functionality available within a user profile page. User profiles are added to your website through a Joomla menu item. From the Joomla Administrator sidebar, open Menus. In this example, I've already created a dedicated menu called User Menu. It contains a parent menu item named My Profile with the separator type and a child logout menu item. Now, let's create a new menu item for the user profile page. Click the New button in the toolbar. In the title field, enter My Account. Next, click Select in the Menu Item Type field, choose Gridbox, and then select User Account. In the Parent Item field, select My Profile as the parent menu item. Once everything is configured, click Save and Close. Now, let's reorder the menu items and move My Account above Logout. The User Profile menu item has been created. I'd also like to mention that I've already created a Joomla menu module for the user menu, which we'll use later to display the profile navigation on the website. Now, let's add our user menu to the website header. Add a new plugin, type Menu in the search field, and select the Menu plugin. In the dialog that appears, choose the User Menu module. Next, let's place the user menu before the Sign In button with drag and drop. As you can see, the menu has been added successfully, and the drop-down now contains the My Account and Logout menu items. One important thing, this menu should only be visible to logged-in users. In the Menu Plugin settings, select Registered in the View option. This ensures that the menu is displayed only for registered users, while visitors and guests will not see it. Now let's take a closer look at the structure of a user profile in Gridbox. The Articles section displays all content submitted by the user through the Zero app. This allows users to manage and access their own published content from a single location. The My Orders section contains all orders placed through the Gridbox store. Users can review their purchase history and order details here. The My Subscriptions section displays all active and past subscriptions purchased through the Gridbox store. The My Downloads section provides access to all digital products purchased by the user. Users can download their purchased files directly from their profile. The My Information section contains customer information entered during checkout. If necessary, users can update and manage this information. The My Account section contains the user's account settings. Here, users can change their password, update their email address, upload an avatar, and add a bio if they are registered as an author on the website. It's important to understand that the available sections depend on the features enabled on your website. If you're not using the Gridbox store, users will not see orders, subscriptions, or downloads. Likewise, if you're not using the Zero app, the Articles section will not be available. User profiles provide a centralized location where registered users can manage their account information, access their content, review purchases, and interact with services available on your website. By adding user profiles to your navigation, you create a more organized and user-friendly experience for your members and customers. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.